Do you see that? That is the temperature in my office right now because my house was built in the 1940s and there is zero insulation. So we've had to come up with a few solutions. Pardon my kids, they're kind of loud. We've got computer fans blowing the gas heater air out into the room because while there's a blower in this fireplace, it doesn't actually work because the electrical is all wonky and lost power like last year. And this house does have 5 fireplaces, so that's good. Say hi, Beth. What do we need?
Firewood.
More firewood?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go get more firewood. We are almost out of firewood, and all my firewood is covered in snow. That's okay, let's grab some. Now I've got my firewood. If anybody knows how to insulate a house with cement block walls, I'd appreciate it because we're tired of freezing. Yesterday I wasn't cold, but that was because I was literally wearing my fleece pants and a winter coat in my house all day long. It has been so freaking cold this winter, guys.